I'm Elizabeth Akumu. I'm from Slum Code Group.
Okay.
So this is my small premises where I sell this. These are juakali things mostly. There's this jikos, there's this pan for making mandazi. There's these school boxes. You see the metal school boxes.
Oh, those are cool boxes?
School, going to school, you know,
Okay.
boarding schools. Kids carry to put their books, clothes, blankets inside. The big ones, not the bigger ones are outside, but they're just like, these are just juakali. They are done in Kikomba. If you know Kikomba, they are made there, but they are different sizes of jikos, energy saving and the normal ones.
So what do you do with Slum Code? What is your work with
Me,
Slum?
I am in the catering department. Catering, so we cook. When there is a function, I'm in charge.
Okay.
The catering, the other day, last week, 14th, we had the Slum Fest. I was in charge of the catering department.
Okay.
Make food and sell to our friends who visit us. Yeah, so that's mostly what I do. And then when there is no function, I do the other things also. But mostly now, you see, most of the whole day I'm here. But personally, I make chapatis. You know chapatis?
Yes, we just had.
Yeah,
They're very delicious.
Oh, yeah, I make them. So when I'm here, someone gives me an order to make a few chapatis, or I just make them from here and I deliver them to her.